In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Chatgpt in Notion. To get started, open your web browser and go to Notion. If you are taken to a page called Getting Started, that is perfect. This is simply a common landing page inside a Notion workspace, and it confirms you are in the right place before changing any settings. Next, look to the left sidebar where your workspaces are listed. Click on your workspace space name to make sure you are working in the correct account. This matters because Notion integrations and connections are usually set at the workspace level, so connecting Chatgpt in the wrong workspace can cause confusion later when you try to use it. Once you are inside the right workspace, find and click Settings. In Notion, Settings is where you manage your workspace preferences, permissions, and any connections to other tools. Take your time here and make sure you are in the main settings area for the workspace, not just a single page setting. Inside Settings, locate and click the option labeled Notion MCP. This is the section where the connection for Chatgpt is handled. When you open it, you should see the area that relates to connecting Notion with external tools or services. Now click on the highlighted section shown in the setup area. This is typically the part of the Notion MCP screen that brings the connection details into focus, so you can proceed with linking the connector. If you do not see the exact same highlight right away, scroll slightly within the settings panel and look for the connection area under Notion MCP. After that, you will be taken to the Chatgpt side in the connector settings. Here you will see a Connect button. Click Connect to begin linking Chatgpt with your Notion workspace. Follow any prompts that appear on screen to approve access, and make sure you confirm the correct Notion workspace during the permission step so the integration points to the right place. Once the connection completes, you are officially connected and ready to use Chatgpt with Notion through this connector. And that is all there is to it.